In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create textures in Figma without plugins. We'll keep things simple and stick to tools that are already built into Figma, so you can get a textured, layered look on your text in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Figma website and heading to your workspace. Once you're in, open the design page or file where you want to work. Give the canvas a moment to load so the right-hand properties panel is fully available, because we'll be using it right away. On your page, choose the text tool and add your text to the canvas. You can click anywhere to start typing. Pick a font, size, and color that match your design so you have a clear starting point. This doesn't have to be perfect yet. The textured look will build on top of your base style. Make sure your text layer is selected before moving on. Now direct your attention to the right side of the screen. In the Properties panel, find the Appearance area. You'll see controls for fill, stroke, effects, and opacity. Right beside or just above these, there's a control for the blend mode, which by default is set to normal. This is the key to getting texture without any plugins. Click the blend mode drop-down and explore the options. Multiply, overlay, screen, soft light, and others will each interact differently with whatever sits behind your text. Multiply tends to darken and pull in subtle grain or pattern from the background, while overlay and soft light create a more nuanced, contrast-driven texture. Screen lightens and can give a softer, airy look. The effect you see will depend on your background, so if your page has photos, patterns, or color blocks, the texture will be more pronounced. On a flat color, certain modes may look very subtle, and that's normal. After choosing a mode you like, use the opacity slider right next to it to dial the strength up or down. Small adjustments here can make the texture feel intentional rather than harsh. If the look isn't working, simply try a different mode or tweak your base text color to help the texture show through. And that's it. You've opened Figma, added your text, and used the blend mode beside Appearance to apply a textured look. No plugins needed. Experiment with a few modes until the result fits your design, and keep an eye on readability so your text remains clear. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting rich, textured typography right inside Figma.